Let's go, baby! Alrighty, guys. We're starting off with my favorite one, the ignition core. Don't know why I did that with my finger, but we're doing it anyways. The best one I've noticed has been the golden skill. Has been giving me the best win rate so far. I think we're gonna take weapon because we get a really strong early game going. I was hoping for fire, but that's okay. We'll upgrade the core first early. We'll see what we get here.
You're at the wrong shop.
I didn't get the skill, so I'm gonna go for pyro. I usually go for duct tape, but since we're doing pretty much locked into a fire thing here, not locked up officially, but most likely we're playing a fire build. We're gonna be playing this burn core. Lighter would be pretty cool. I played it a couple games ago and it felt pretty good with the ignition core. It's fast. You can stack a lot of burn onto it and get it done real quick. Honestly, it's all good. Buffing burn is obviously buffing burn. Like, it's all fine. It's all good. Take that. I'm just gonna use it on it for now. We could check Curio, but I don't really know if I want anything necessarily for a while. I think I'm just gonna take some money. I always like getting money early game. I think I get really screwed in these shops sometimes. Definitely gonna take you.
Parker? That's how it's done.
And we'll play you. Why not? We should be fine.
You do see these tusks, right?
Doobie feels really good this patch. Finally marbles. Interesting. I'm trying to double matchbox. That'll be pretty neat. That'll be a lot of burn. I like going the enchanted item start, but every time I do, I seem to get a little unlucky. So I'll just take the skill. So strong, so powerful early. Gain momentum. Let's see here. We have a friend. No, we don't. Yes, we do. Maybe something burn related? There we go. Burn items have 2 burn.
You picked that
burn.
up quickly. Maybe I'm getting better at this.
Kind of need something. I want to fight. Fight some this and that. I like those options.
Never be remorseless.
Okay.
Tell everyone you got it here.
Use a core or another array your weapons gain. I can just keep scaling the weapons, whatever.
You're a
Need
smart
something.
one for your size.
We need something. I guess it doesn't matter who gets the. Kind of stack this burn really, a little bit of shielding. We should beat the rest back. Don't see us losing. Yeah, look at that burn. Look at that baby burn. Baby burn! Telling you guys, burn for Dooley? This is pretty good. This is pretty good stuff. Heal buff's kind of useless, but we could run an Aiden. Put that on that. I like going for this. But there's not really many dually items like duplicating. Power drill's pretty good. Duplicated. I don't really want anything I want to upgrade right now. I kind of just need better items for when I level up. Day 2 fight's a little harder than day 1. We definitely
I've got 4 legs because I carry this company.
We could buy a battery or something.
Large items.
We have one more
items,
shop.
Grotesque excess.
We do level up. So let's get the... Oh no, we don't level up. Where do we level up? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So we level up no matter what. I don't have to take the XP. I could take income. Trying with a fight with 1 less item. but I think medium item's just too good here.
Sale, no sale.
And
I
we
want
got
what's right for
GG.
you.
You're ready, you.
I used to offer a free ride
Gonna
home,
be our level up. Oh,
but
that'll be a
people
level up.
thought it
Whatever.
was weird.
We're good. Solid day 2. Solid day 2. Now, do I want to charge this more? I think I do. I don't really care about that. What is burn? Whatever. It's probably fine. This will be faster. Oh, we take 4 gold. Since it was offered to us. This should charge fast. But I see, like, I don't know if I need to boost the burn on this. Should be a lot of burn here, and this can charge this one more. Second, maybe. Yeah, I like that better. Oh, you just put all the burn
We're out to dethrone a king,
onto the
not
rocket
to
launcher.
squabble with nobodies.
Have it just pop the F off. Oh, I should have. Ah, man. Okay. I should have replaced this with something else.
Like my crew
It
says
didn't matter.
at the bar.
We're just way too
Another
strong.
round.
Too much burn. But I want to put the damage buff on this guy. Try to avoid running some weapons. Other than that. But it's fine. Do I upgrade the rockets? It's pretty good. Let's take our income. I think we're kind of chilling right now. Honestly, let's take an income. Let's take 1 gold. Let's take 1 gold per turn.
Well, howdy,
There we go.
hero.
We want to do slow.
Ooh, now that's a bargain.
Take a damage. Oh, actually, we'll double slow this cool LED. And I was just gonna slow like crazy for 4 seconds. That's insane. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And I want to save my money. I think I'm good. I think we're chilling. I think we definitely beat this guy.
Got a lot of work to do.
Oh, show. If I didn't get
This'll
this, I
be
probably would have went for the
fun.
burn guy. If I can get the skimmy tar. But I think this is better. See ya. It's just way too much burn, guys. Look at
Turn the lights off when you leave.
that. Sting. Back to ball shield. We're definitely gonna. I think we're strong enough. We can take a fight.
Give up the gold, bro.
I think we definitely take this guy. Buff him a little bit of shield up. Burn him down. He's pretty defenseless. Look at all that. Look at that. Yeah, it's just game over.
Ow! Ow!
Nice.
This ain't worth all that.
Get a level up here. Upgrading the rocket launcher is kind of nice. We are losing out on the damage on it, but it's burning. That's all we care about, really. Oh, is this fine? Or, oh, it's 8 seconds. We might as well play this. Oh, we can play both. Ho-ho! Math ain't mathin'. What am I gonna hold on to longer? Let's get to him. Beef him up. We'll beef him up. See, we could just upgrade this. Nah,
You might prefer
nah, we're
our
taking
Jensen
skill.
training.
Nah.
Amazing.
Leftmost burn? Oh,
Learned
that's
all
gonna be
you
core
can
once I get rid
from
of this.
See
Yeah,
our
I knew it wasn't
Jensen.
holding on to that long.
Jeez.
Finally, another medium item shop here. Honestly,
Just
missiles
toss
is
that on
really
my
good.
back, and
Take
I'll
that.
trot it to your door.
Pretty good.
If it's
Power.
not
I
right
love
for you,
powered
bring
build
it
with
back.
ignition core.
I want you to be happy.
It feels so good. It's just not really good right now, per se. It's gonna be a little slow, but I want to hold it. Oh, I should have moved.
My fight isn't with you.
Ah,
But if you
brain part. I should have moved this guy. I gotta look up. I gotta stop doing that. I mean, I guess it's fine. It's whatever. I just want damage on this. Burn him down here. Burning me, but
got
nowhere
talent.
close as
You should
fast.
put it toward nobler use.
Nowhere close. But I definitely want the damage to be going on the missile. Practical error. Okay, the Ray's actually kind of putting in a little bit of work here. Just a little bit. Look at our fight. Ooh, this guy's a little scary. He's a little scary. We're gonna try it. Of course we're gonna try it.
Fire is life.
I just don't know if I tank it.
The opposite.
No, I don't. This is too much. I don't have any. I'm a glass cannon, guys. That was 2 gold for free. Over 2 gold and 1 XP. I'm short 1 XP. Feels bad, man. Here we'll definitely check out
World is pretty scary.
Mr. Kev.
Might want some armor.
I mean, it's putting in a little bit of work. Can't lie. Putting in a little bit of work. I definitely want to get rid of that. That's right. Do I roll this now? Nah. Roll it later. Better chance of enchanted items. Too much gold now. See, oh, good thing. Guy beats me. I know that. This guy's Scott. I'd rather take the cooldown. Same XP
Strike like a
and
sandstorm.
some crit as well. The only bad thing is the boots. But you already know that's what I do. So
The Bazaar has not
prepared.
softened you.
for underwhelming event today. I thought that, hey, that's pretty good. Better than usual.
Oh, sure. I can help you. But you have to trust me.
I'm gonna be using a large item. Let's just take shielding.
I
Get
think you had a
beefy.
breakthrough.
Let's get tanky. I want to take a skill. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat right there.
I would never debase my wares by.
Oh, metronome. See now, see this is where this is starting to make a little bit of sense now. That doesn't seem too bad. I don't hate that. This is a 3-second item.
Shall I gift wrap it for you?
Buy, but it doesn't do anything. Unfortunately. Yeah, I think this is correct. Don't have a shield. But this is so much burn, like I don't even think it'll matter. Yeah, I think we're chilling. I think we're
You should
chilling.
know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago.
I bet you are. Alright, we got ammo. A musket. Oh, with a flaming butt. Yo, this guy's got a build. This guy's cooking. Oh, it hurts.
Bring her
Oh,
out.
but
I've got
we
another
burn
salvo
more.
with me.
See ya. Well, I didn't even check. I wasn't even watching this. I was watching the musket. So shot. Okay, that's good. Completely acceptable. Hopefully we get some good enchantments. Hopefully we get like a fiery enchantment on the metronome. It'd be pretty cool. It would be pretty cool.
A
Small
grand
large.
society
No
master merchant
reroll.
welcomes you.
Don't know if I'm running it. It's a lot of crit. 10-second, that's a 3-second 10 crit. It's a lot of crit. It's just for the core, and this charges that, so... Nah. Nah. We're 4 for 4. With a 4-4, it was 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're doing really well. Ooh, this guy's scary. He's got some good items.
This is just how I look.
Maybe I can just run up a pickle popper at the end here. No, because this is charging the power drill.
He created
Oh, what's
us to
7?
do evil.
Dude! Oh man, that's so annoying, dude. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. That's 1 crit, man. That's 1 crit. That's 1 crit, literally. Like I just... I think we, guys, I think we beat him with this. I think this is better.
You have to.
Let's see. I don't even have any crit. What am I complaining about crit for? But this is better for sure. Look at the shield. The shield helps.
When I
Yeah.
left the Inferno,
100%.
the other envoys beat me
Look,
up
that's the
just
60
like
HP right
this.
there. I think this is good, no? Charge adjacent items. 1 second multicast. So it charges 2 every 8 seconds. So it charges... That's not bad. That's not a bad little item. Try it. I don't know how good it is. Over to a tool. Maybe it'll give me double. Probably not. Okay, we're doing well, guys. We're doing well. Medium items are too good here.
What can I get you?
Except those are not. Neither really are those. This is interesting. I just don't have a damage core, so it doesn't really make any sense.
See that mountain?
Man.
He might have what you need.
And I'm not going to level before the fight. Because I screwed up. That's unfortunate. We gotta check items. We need items.
Chat.
Oh, that's good. That's good upgrade.
So, how about this weather where... Oh,
Oh,
you're leaving.
you're leaving. That's... Okay, I think we're looking good. I wish this was charge as well. Hello? Oh, that was forever. The Dooley v Dooley. Diamond items. Oh, that's a good skill to have. He's gonna go small items. Shield core. He counters me. Oh no, look at the burn. Look. Guys, hold up. Look at the burn though. Oh, he's sneaking. Hold up. Wait, no, but look at the burn. Guys, doesn't matter. Look at the burn. Low. Doesn't matter. I wasn't worried at all. I knew we were gonna win. What did this do? I didn't watch again. I didn't see. I was looking up here for some reason. Well, that's not bad. Pretty good. Charge this like crazy. Yeah, okay. I think this build's looking pretty nice. I think we're on track for a good game here, guys. We're definitely going to boost the burn on the core here. We want this thing cooking. We need this cooking up a game for us. Because it's so heat. It's so fire.
Make
talking about?
deals, not war.
Tech items. Nah. I don't even like any of this either. When you gain burn, haste your item.
You're not ready to accept the light. And that's
Nah.
okay.
Do I beat... Now, do I beat this guy? I don't know. I don't think we do. But we're gonna try anyways. I think we're strong enough. I think we're strong. Because I want this. This is good. This is good. Oh no, he's too much. Ah, okay.
Defy me or ashes.
My bad. We can definitely get something cooking here. Get tools. I'm not really running any tools. Any tools good? Oh, oh yes, I am. Hold up. This.
Some engineers
Come on,
fix
please.
things. I make.
Definitely not going to clear up the space a little bit.
A bucket saved my life once.
Bucket saved my
You
life.
just never know.
Come on, man.
You're huge. Do you have any huge items?
Man. That's pretty good, man. Is that better though? I don't think so. So I'd have to put it to between. No, none of those are tools. I don't think I haste. I haste a lot, but not enough to justify these guys over like this guy's so fast. It's just a waste of gold. It's one burn, and stack of burn in 2 seconds. Waste of money. I think we're still good. I'd like to upgrade this at some point.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms.
Triangle burn. Ooh, I have not played against this item yet. Oh, he's got this though. Oh, is he gonna cook me? Oh, I think it cooked me faster. Oh, it did. Oh!
Paint my ship red.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, wow. That's a pretty good build. So remember that. That's pretty cool. Like this. You burn that. Okay. Pretty cool. Does he have the cooldown thing? You see how that works like this? Huh. Cool build he's got. I have to remember that one. Haste and cooldown items.
I was expecting you 0.5 seconds ago.
Nope. Nope. Slow Tesla coil? Nah. Nah.
We've
This
barely
can be
scratched the
insane.
surface of the Outlands.
Nah. Yeah.
That looks like
Like a free haste upgrade. It's pretty
era?
decent. Pretty decent. And let's go for XP. Cool. 40, I think it's 40 bucks. That's a little bit of money. Yeah, I think we're decently fast. I'll try and make this better. We're doing pretty decent. I want hasten
I'm
charge.
not
I
a
want to try and
fitness
get this.
trainer. I
cooking a
train
little
your
more.
perception of reality.
See, first time you haste freeze. That's
Can
pretty
you
good.
feel it? How thin the barrier
good.
really is?
See, this is where I debate taking this, but I think the flight is better.
This
Mr.
is
Sergeant
war,
Studs.
and the enemy is dirt.
Rivet gun's interesting. Put it here and just charge this.
Defeat is part of war. A soldier
You're gonna
accepts
lose.
it with dignity.
There's so much burn doing that. I didn't crash it. It's like the worst item in the game, I swear to God. 8 seconds, 5 gold? Okay, buddy. Yeah, okay there. I take 3 diamond chocolate bars here. Fuck that guy. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take 3 chocolate bars. Get a little HP, 100 HP before the fight, 90, whatever.
Go ahead.
Only we just burst this guy down too. Probably go for like a quick, fast win, because if we take too long, we're gonna get kind of overshadowed by a lot of other builds. Ooh, this guy's scary. This guy might beat me. He heals, he shields. I don't do any of that. I mean, I burned it all down, I guess. Well, maybe I just burned them all down. Hold up. Oh, yeah, hold on.
Next time, boys. Less blunder.
Oh, I keep getting so
more
worried over these
blunder.
builds. I mean, what is this? Comparatively, that build was poo-poo. We're gonna take a look at him.
Cast aside your
Non-weapons.
destruments.
It's interesting. It's a lot of charge for this, but again, this is just better. Charging this. Yeah, it's
I
just not
suppose you'll go by a weapon instead.
good. Matchbox? Hold up. Ah, man. Wait, hold up. These are pretty good. Hold on, those are pretty good items. I'm gonna take you, and you. I should have bought it. Ah! Backwards, so this charged. Whatever. Okay, so we need to clear some stuff. Finally, again. I don't know if I'm gonna run a heal on him or not. I don't think so. A lot of weapons. This is when you... I don't remember. Again, I just want XP. I just want to enhance something. I don't even care. Okay. Maybe get some money? Could be better. But also could be worse. Keep that in mind. Just be fighting a monster. Be good. That'd be really insane. Bang. This guy's built. I like this item. It's kind of cool. 5 seconds. Not too strong. It's not too weak. It's just big. Oh. That felt good. Double damage core? How bad is damage core? Probably bad because we want to charge this with more things. I think we just random enchant because I want to try and get like poison or
Let me brighten
one of these. Poison slow perfect. So slow. Slow's perfect. 1 for 4 sets. That's a pretty decent slow. Where's the XP? There it is. Okay, that slow's actually pretty good. It's gonna charge this more, which can self-charge that more. That's pretty neat. You can tell it's an Aspen by the way it is. Oh, that guy's got the Battle Pass skin. Pretty cool. Paste a weapon. He needs like starting shield. I think I just burned this guy down too fast for it to really do anything. What? Hold on. How did that happen? How did he just get 1,000 shield? Oh, did eh? Damn, I got a little cocky. Okay, you see how it is.
My battle days are over, but my weapons crave more.
Bum, bum. If I had like more hasting items, this would be good. Like, do I hold it? Nah.
The Bazaar is not kind to the weapons.
Excuse me, guys. take
Lethal
burn.
substance is my business. What you do with them is yours.
That's pretty good. That's gonna charge.
Not too careful.
Haha. Oh, now I kind of want to use that rivet gun. That's so much more burning now.
Size dilutes the brain. Mind is highly concentrated.
Oh, look at that. Just fast.
Remember, diamonds come in small boxes.
Yeah, we use a tool. Bup, 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 bup. That's gonna. Oh yeah, that's awesome. I think that's good. I think this is correct. I think that's good. I think we beat this guy. I think we're pretty strong now. That's a lot of burn. And this is gonna be casting it a lot now. Yeah, look at that. Uh-oh. I don't know why I was worried. Get 20% crit weapons. Nope, wasn't it. What's that? Deal damage equal to a third of your enemy's max health. It's the biggest 50 gold I've ever seen.
Try your luck. Can't
Gambling! Money? I don't think I've ever gotten the money, actually. I've got everything else. But 20 gold? That's not bad.
Everyone's favorite.
That's a decent chunk of
jackpot.
change. So interesting. If I can get this, like, burn enchanted and put it here, I think that'd be kind of neat. Might hold on to it. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, gone. See ya. I need space. Oh, I'm gonna need space. Here it is. Let's enhance. We lost a lot of burn on this for the rivet gun, but it's worth it. Rivet gun burns so much now. And like, it's just going. It's just drilling. Oh, this guy's a little scary. One weapon dog, Gonjo shielded. Oh crap. That's a little scary. He's crit. He's 41. Okay, he didn't crit. He's got a lot of HP, but I'm slowing a little right over this. Oh, the slow is so good. Oh yeah, baby. Slow is so good. That's the freest seventh win I've ever had in my life. We just need 3 more. Pretty good. Small items. I'll look for a metronome.
If you want cheap junk,
7
go see
second use the
Curio.
quarter. Not bad. Not for this build. Weapon upgrades, just more
Take your
damage.
time. I'm pretty laid back.
Come on, I've seen the same things.
Every item finds its buyer. It's a relationship, you know?
I don't see us losing to this guy.
Make angry.
But maybe. Freezes a lot. Burn a lot. Look at that burn. Blah, 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 blah. See ya. I thought that had like crit. These guys would be too broken. Boom!
You
Same tick.
stronger. Now it knows.
What's this? Freeze all non-weapon items for 2 seconds? Is that even good? Is this good? I don't think so. Is it? Because then this goes, and then it starts charging everything immediately while everything else is frozen. Is this troll? Am I throwing away the 10 win for taking this? Yeah, because then if I play if I play against like a single weapon, it's just gonna screw me. I want to upgrade the Quark. How much more burn is it? Excuse me, guys. More. Let's see. Howbazaar.com or .gg. My bad. Admission. So it needs 1 burn. I don't think that's worth it. Let's get a skill.
Why does Nufu set himself apart? We Sphinxians must.
When you burn poison. Yeah, this is insane.
Power, but not all power has wisdom.
Casting so much. I don't think we play this, or do we now? Because we burn and poison. We cast so much. I gotta see if I can get a burn enchantment on it. That'd be pretty cool.
As a GSM and master merchant, I can.
How do I upgrade this now? Like I don't think I can get bronze items. This is not as good as what we got going on right now. I think this is bait.
Oh, okay. Maybe next time?
Let's see. Let's do gumballs. Like it's deal damage equal to 1/3 of your enemy's max health. I don't even know if that's good. Nah, let's take the money. Where's taking the money? If I'm lazy, I want to sell the gumballs by 5. I don't want to buy the 1 by 1. Drive me mental. Okay. This guy's on his last life. 4 wins. Let's see where his build's at. Solo aquatic weapon? Nope. Poison, but I think I just mess him up. Yeah, look at this. This is like, look at this. It's a perma. Just it's a perma. I didn't poison all as much as I thought. That's okay. That's okay. Small burn item, no. I think now we just start stacking HP. Oh yeah, I spent money. Forgot about that. Forgot I had this. Could upgrade that. Yeah, we just want to beef everything up best as we can for these last 2 days, last 2 little fights. I think we lose to Void Golem, or do we? Oh, let's see. Curious. I think we do. He's gonna do. Oh, he's just so much damage. Yeah, that was. I don't even know why. I don't even know. Sometimes, guys, the brain doesn't work. But you know what? We tried. And that's what matters. We still level up, I think, for the next fight, so... Oh well. What are you gonna do?
Eat
Get
up,
some health.
bulk up, get solid. That's
2 burn, or...
You
Nah,
see
I can get like so much good stuff from
I
this.
see
Like,
buried
it's
treasure.
slow
While you're
upgrade.
doing your part to clean up
It's
the
not good.
bazaar.
That's good. This is
That's
okay.
been sitting there 20 years, waiting for you.
Damage, flow, heal.
Warms my rusty circuits to see that find a home.
Slow skills? Because we slow a lot, right? Nah,
I am eager to test your abilities and to improve them
Charge of 1
immeasurably.
weapon. Your leftmost has 32 crit. The first time you fall below heal, cleanse. I'm gonna take this because there's a lot of like burn and
Power
poison
is
builds.
wisdom.
Like, tons. I think that's actually really good.
Something like that.
I think that's really good.
We're out to dethrone a king.
The cleanse
not
is
to
huge because
squabble
this guy
with nobodies.
should be like a poison, right? Yeah, it's poison. Poison. Ooh, that's. What the fuck is this? Who burns more? I cleansed and healed. Oh, he's healing like crazy. Alright. Yeah, you know what?
Predictable. You
I'll
move
give you
in
this one.
straight lines.
Yeah, that's insane. An insane board you have there. What do we got? Haste, 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 haste. What do I want to haste? And I can play something. I can play another thing, no? Oh, if I haste power drill, I can get rid of this and play like ballista. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I like that. Really enjoy that a lot, actually. So I lied, there's going to be 3 fights. I want to see if I can get a ballista. I've seen a billion of them. What's one more?
Greetings.
Oh, see? I think that's crazy. I think this is crazy. I think now we're at a different level. I think now we're pushing boundaries and limits here. This would be fun. Dino, too late for that though. I had a really good Dino game.
I have 50
weeks ago.
worlds to rule.
Or last week. Last week. I had both dinos, crushed everyone. It's fun. Wasn't recording then though. Look at this, that's crazy. Yeah, this is nuts.
I will remember you.
Yeah. This probably did a lot of damage. Well, only 700. This did a lot. I actually want to maneuver this differently now, though. Because I think 2 is fine. Because I want this to haste that. I think we have enough. I don't need the 3rd. Like, this with burn would be kind of cool, too. Instead of this. We're gonna take the shield. I think that's really good. Enchant. Okay, doesn't this give me upgrades and stuff, though? Hold on. I think we take this. This gives me a bunch of shit, no? Oh, it's just a bunch of money. Okay, that's fine, though. I like money. Oh, but maybe I should have took the XP. Nah, I like the money. Money's fun. I think if you upgrade those, they're worth less. We test it. That was 2, 2. Yeah, 3, see? Less. I have to do it one by one. But I think you can get like crazy gold. You can get upgrade hammers and stuff from this. I think that's nuts. I think I just got a bad one. Well, not necessarily bad, just not as good as it can be. Okay, I think this is still crazy. I think this is crazy because I'm gonna be. This is gonna be casting a lot now because I'm gonna be boosting it. Oh, that's. Okay, we're on track. This is the final day. The final day of our adventure. I think we're gonna do well. I think this is better though. It's so much damage.
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains.
But I'm not sure because it was casting so much more like this. How did I have it? Oh yeah, like this. Like, it was going crazy. It's just this wasn't going as much, because I wish I don't know. I wish I had this
Like
flamed.
that decision comes from a negative place. You look like a hardy one.
I think we can roll pretty
Need
deep
some work.
here. Look for something cool. For something cool. Multicast this. It's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Nah, eating comments last day. Don't have any aquatic items though. Nah. If only it was like enchanted with burn or poison or slow or.
Hey, you're a natural at this.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright, Mr. Awakened District. I think it has way more like this. But maybe I should put the... Yeah, it was casting way more when this was like that. Your shield values have shield because the value of the items. Okay. I don't have any shield. Like, I honestly believe a skill does
today,
more better more
if
here.
not this life, the
Vehicle.
next.
I don't think I have any vehicles. First 5 times you burn haste. Your rightmost weapon has 40 damage.
You
Now let's
learn skills quickly,
Let's just
but
keep
it takes
pasting.
patience to master them.
take another shield because I think it's really good to have. Definitely take you for XP because we level up right before the fight.
Hey, little
These
guy.
skills.
I missed you a lot. I love working on you. I mean, with you.
I think we're good. I think we're chilling, guys. I think this is gonna be a good fight. I hope so. Oh no, he's got me but better, I think. Oh, he does have me but better. Oh man. See, this is what I go against, guys. Every time I'll win my 9th win. Oh man, that's still a pretty good game. I'll take that. Dually 9 wins. I think we did pretty good. I think we did pretty good. 24 chess. Would have been 6. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching.